Good morning children. जय स्वामी नारायण. How are you all? आप सब कैसे हो? Hope you all are doing good. So, after unit test 1 exam, we got a short break and we are back to our studies. So, we are going to begin with a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is We Need Shelter. Chapter 4, the name of the chapter is We Need Shelter. Now, before we start our lesson, I would like to ask you a simple question. First, tell me, where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हो? You live in a house. और हमको घर की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? Why do we need a house? We need a house because it protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and wild animals. We feel safe in the house. तो बच्चों, हमको घर की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? घर हमको गर्मी, सर्दी, बरसात और वाइल्ड एनिमल से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. जब हम घर में होते हैं तो हमको डर नहीं लगता. वी फील सेफ इन द हाउस. बच्चों, आपको मालूम है, लॉन्ग लॉन्ग अगो पीपल डिड नॉट लिव इन हाउसेस. दे लिव्ड इन caves. Later, they built houses of mud, straw and stones. आप इस पिक्चर में देखिए, पहले के लोग केव्स में रहते थे. बाद में उन्होंने घर बनाए और फिर वह घर में रहने लगे. Now children, what are houses made of? घर किन चीज़ों से बने होते हैं? Let us see. See, some houses are made of mud, some houses are made of stones, some are made of bricks, some are made of cement and concrete. Now children, how many types of houses are there? Houses कितने तरीके के होते हैं? तो houses mainly two types of houses होते हैं. एक होता है कच्चा हाउस और एक होता है पक्का हाउस. Kacha house is not strong and Pakka house is strong. Now let us see the difference between Kacha house and Pakka house. Now Kacha house are not very strong, Pakka house are strong. Kacha house are found in villages, Pakka house is found in cities and towns. Kacha house are made of mud, stones, leaves, sticks, straw and bamboo, and Pakka house are made of bricks, cement and concrete. Now children, see the picture. It is a Kacha house. Can you see? The house is made of mud and straw. आपको ऐसे houses कहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं? कच्चा हाउस जो मड और स्ट्रॉ से बना होता है वो हमको विलेजेस में देखने के लिए मिलते हैं. Now see, this is a pakka house. It is a strong house and it is made of bricks, cement and concrete. And these houses are found in towns and cities. Now children, let us learn the different types of houses. The houses which are made of mud and straw and they are found in villages, such houses are known as huts. Now this picture is of a bungalow. Bungalow is a very big house. It has many rooms. Dining room, drawing room, kitchen, living room and bathroom. Now, bungalow also has a driveway and a garage where we park our car. Can you see in the picture the car is parked in the garage? So, bungalow is a very big house. We can see big trees and garden also with the bungalow. Now next is multi-storied buildings. Where do you see these multi-storied buildings? When we go to Mumbai or big cities, we get to see these big buildings. ऊंची ऊंची buildings हमको दिखती है. These big buildings are known as multi-storied building. और इन buildings में बहुत सारे houses होते हैं. These houses are known as apartments, and there is a lift to go at the top of the house. और ऐसे घरों को हम flats भी बोलते हैं. So buildings with multiple floors or stories are called multi-storied buildings. Stilt house. Now the picture which you are seeing is that of a stilt house. ये बैम्बू और वुड का बना हुआ होता है. स्टिल्ट हाउसेस जहाँ बहुत बरसात होती है वहाँ पर बनाए जाते हैं. एंड दे आर बिल्ट लिटिल अबव द ग्राउंड. आप देखो नीचे ग्राउंड से थोड़ा सा ऊपर है. एंड दे हैव अ स्लोपिंग रूफ. Such kinds of houses are known as stilt houses. Now children, in this picture, can you see the houseboats? Houseboats are houses on the boat. Tourists often stay in them. They are also called floating houses. तो जो टूरिस्ट घूमने जाते हैं तो इन हाउस बोट्स में वो लोग रहते हैं. और ये हाउसेस पानी के ऊपर होते हैं, इसलिए उनको फ्लोटिंग हाउसेस भी बोलते हैं. Now comes the igloos. Can you see in the picture a round house made of block of ice and snow? Such houses are known as igloos. They are found in the places which are covered with snow all through the year. और आपको मालूम है जो लोग इन इग्लूज में रहते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? They are known as Eskimos. Next is our tent house. आप पिक्चर में देखिए आपको टेंट हाउस दिख रहा है. टेंट हाउस is made of canvas or plastics. They are used when people camp in open. They can be folded and carried easily anywhere. तो टेंट हाउस जब हम कैंपिंग के लिए जाते हैं, माउंटेनियरिंग के लिए जाते हैं, पहाड़ों पे जाते हैं, तो ये हम अपने साथ फोल्ड करके ले जाते हैं. और जब हमको ज़रूरत होती है तब हम इनको खोल लेते हैं और इनके अंदर रहते हैं. नाउ सी दिस इज़ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ कैरावैन. तो कैरावैन भी जो है, कैरावैन्स भी जो हैं वो एक तरीके के हाउसेस हैं. They are known as houses on wheel. You can see in this picture, there is a house and there you can see the wheels also. And they can be driven from one place to another. हम कहीं भी जाना चाहते हैं तो इसको अपने साथ ले जा सकते हैं, मूव करते हैं ये. Now children, let us do a quick recap of our lesson. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind and wild animals. Kacha houses are made of mud and straw. Pakka houses are made of bricks and cement. Different materials are used to build different types of houses. People in different types of houses People live in different types of houses. And what are those different types of houses? They are huts, bungalows, flats, stilt houses, houseboats, igloos, tents, and caravans. So children, with this we finish our lesson. I hope you have understood this lesson well. Read this lesson once more carefully. Thank you children and Jai Swami.